Over the next 2 decades, he rose through the ranks, serving as its international secretary-treasurer, becoming a driving force as the Union grew. Standing with Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. during the Memphis sanitation strike, and then picking up the torch and continuing the fight after the tragic day of April 4th, 1968.
After the assassination, we found ways and means of putting the language together to form an agreement.
In the 1980s, he became one of the founders of Free South Africa movement, an anti-apartheid campaign that changed the minds of so many in the United States. Later, when Nelson Mandela was released from prison, he led the effort to bring him here to our country so people in this nation could learn from a true giant. And when Mandela was elected the first black president of South Africa, William Lucy was there to witness that landmark moment in world history.
It was such an incredible impact on the country as a
Yeah.
whole. I think a lot of minds were changed, a lot of people were educated.
He has continued his mission as president of Public Services International, the world's largest
You read about it.
organization, the first African American to hold this position.
Brothers and sisters, I don't know what ship you may have come over on, but we in the same boat now.
There he was, the voice for over 10 million members from over 100 nations, carving a legacy based on living wages, healthcare benefits, and job safety, changing and improving lives of hundreds of thousands of workers who may not know his name, but who have benefited from his righteous cause.
It is my honor to present the NAACP Chairman's Award to William Lucy.
Let me express my deep appreciation to the chair of the board of directors and the members of the NAACP. Thank them for their recognition of the work we've tried to do in the furtherance of the goals and principles of the NAACP. This award and its meaning is truly the property of the courageous sanitation workers of Local 1733 of the American Federation of State, County, and Municipal Employees. It belongs to Thomas Oliver Jones and J.L. McLean and Robert Beasley and Clinton Burrows and Joe Warren and Alvin Turner and Baxter Leach and the men who sit here looking at America tonight. It belongs to the hundreds of thousands like them across this nation. It belongs to the masses of South Africans who struggled against the scourge of apartheid to be free men and women in the land of their birth. I thank them all for allowing me to have been a part of their struggle. Thank you so very much.
He's nominated tonight for his role in The Defenders and a star of the movie Girls Trip. Please welcome Mike Coulter.
Our next nominated film is a long overdue celebration of Black sisterhood, featuring 4 women on an adventure of a lifetime, one that combines huge laughs with the perfect chemistry of its actresses. The story centers on 4 longtime friends who head to New Orleans where they rekindle their friendship and enjoy their wild side. With 5 Image Award nominations, this is Girl Trip.
I like Girl Trip. That's what me and Diana want to go see.
So let's go. I have to pee. Look, the line is short over there. There's a long line in the bathroom here. Just go for it.
Coming up, a performance by Andra Day and Kami. Then Get Out's Daniel Kaluuya. Here on TV1.
Brought to you by Denny's. Welcome to America's Diner. A legacy is defined by those who defy odds. You've accepted that someone must be first so that others can be next. So here you are, the first. Every obstacle you pushed through was for this moment. With your own mind and hands, you will influence a future for all. A path awaits. Own it. Learn from it. Leave a trail for others. So when you're standing in your place of success, you can remember this moment when you became the first. Help us support first-generation college students' road to success. Visit Denny'sFirstGen.com.
No, pick up.
The all-new 2018 Camry. Toyota. Let's go places.